My name is Alam and I'm part of the sales team here at Travefy, and I'm super excited to guide you through this quick demo of the platform. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not going to be an in-depth training. This is just a quick introduction so you can see all the things that Travefy offers for your business. If you have any questions, you can always schedule a one-on-one meeting with us or reach out to us at professional@travefy.com, and we're always happy to help. Let's get started. The first thing that I recommend that you do when you log into Travefy is set up your profile settings. Here you can customize your profile to represent your brand and share your company information. This is important because this is what your clients are going to see whenever you share a trip or a form with them. Now let's go into the trip section. And this is what we're going to see. This is the main dashboard that we always see when we log into Travefy. And here is where we can create our trips, itineraries, or proposals. So let's just start by talking about the difference between these two. A proposal is normally the first thing that we send to a client. We also call proposals quotes. And your client can very easily see the things that you have shared with them in their quotes or proposals. They can navigate through the offers, and if they're ready to move forward with the trip, they can very easily click Approve Proposal. That will send them to a form that you can always customize in your settings, and they can submit that information, and that will be sent to your email along with a confirmation of their approval, and your client will also receive an email confirmation of their approval. Now, once the trip is approved, it will automatically be switched into an itinerary. And here I have an itinerary, and you can see how with this itinerary, instead of the approval button, I have the option to download a PDF of the trip or download the mobile app. Your clients can also, of course, just view all of their trip information right there in their laptop, in a mobile device, or any device that they prefer. The trip can just be viewed online and it's going to look amazing regardless of the device that they choose. But some of the best feedback that we get from clients is regarding the app. Travelers absolutely love the Trip Plans app. It looks very fresh, very professional, and it just takes the trip experience to another level because you can have all of your trip information in one place with a device that you're carrying around with you anyways. You can also chat with your customers from the app, and your customers can receive flight updates and messages from you right there on the app. Now, there's another way that you can present information to your clients, and that's through decisions. So when you create a new trip, you're going to see that you have the option right here to build a new decision. And decisions can be made for individual events in Travefy, but also for entire quotes. For example, if I want to give my clients a couple of options about hotels in Cancun, I can create a decision for those hotels for my clients. As you can see right here, I have 2 right here, but I can add 3 if I want to. And my clients can click here to view the detailed version of that specific event and see all the relevant information like the location, the phone number, website. They can also watch any videos or media content that I add. And then once they're ready to move forward with a specific option, they can just click Select Option. Now the same can be done with entire quotes. So let's say that instead of hotels, your clients are trying to choose between going to Disney or going to Miami. You can build a new decision, and again, you can add up to 3 quotes right here, just like with the hotels. And your clients can very easily browse through the options that you have in each quote and then select the specific quote that they want to move forward with just by clicking Select Option. And that would, just like with the proposal, send you an email letting you know that your client has selected that specific option. Now, we're going to go to the next section, which is Pages. Pages is where you can build an entire website using Travefy. Here you can see my website. As you can see right here, I can also add my own branded domain. So if you already have a domain, you can incorporate it into your Travefy website, or if you don't have a domain, you can get a domain through us with our premium plans. And in your Travefy website, you're going to find a very easy and professional website that your clients are going to love, and that is going to be super easy for them and for yourself to navigate. This website builder is very easy to customize and just add all kinds of things that you want without having to have a software developer or an expert build that for you. It's a very easy drag and drop website, so you can just keep adding content into your website through the different elements that we have right here, and then you can edit those elements to represent what you want to share with your clients, represent your brand, etc. You also have an unlimited number of pages that you can create, so if you want to write a travel blog, or if you want to do page just for cruises, it is very easy to set up new landing pages in your Travefy website. And we also have tons of templates in the marketplace that you can copy and use as templates. All right, now let's go into the library. The library is the section where you can save content. For example, if you want to save a trip in your library as a template to use in the future, you can do that. You can also save individual events like hotel information. You can also save entire days if you want. But in the library, you will also find your forms. And forms are super easy to build and to send. For example, here I have a credit card authorization form. I can very easily share this with my clients through email or through a link. And then I can also see the responses right here. And if I wanted to create a credit card authorization form, I just need to click right here, go into forms, and build that form from a template. And then I can customize this form however I want and share it with my clients. Now, the next thing that we're going to find right here is the marketplace. The marketplace is a great place for you to find free content to start getting some inspiration for your trips, a template for your new landing page, or even a new form. Any content that you see right here is absolutely free. You never have to pay for the content that you find in the marketplace. This is content that our community shares just out of the kindness of their heart. And just for clarification, we will never share your content here. You need to go through a couple of steps to actually have content shared in the marketplace. We have a getting started video about the marketplace. I highly recommend checking that out if you want more in-depth training on the marketplace. Now let's go into the contact section. And here you're going to see a place where you can manage and store contact information. This is a very, very nice CRM that is going to make your workflow very efficient. As you can see, we have all of the relevant fields that you need to store contact information, and you can also customize and add those fields as you need. We also have a section for you to manage tasks, reminders, and automations through Travefy to schedule things to go out, but also to schedule reminders for certain things that you need to do. You can also add any notes that you want for your client, just for any things that you want to keep on top of mind as you interact with this client. We will keep a record of all the trips that you have sent to that client too. Here you will see the record of all the forms that you have sent to a client and view those responses. And then in Travefy, you can also store documents or collect documents through a form, which if you need a passport picture or a driver's license or any relevant documents, those can be added right here or collected through a form. And then we also have our brand new email integration that allows you to connect your email so you can email your clients directly from Travefy and keep a record of all those email interactions right here. Now, when we go back into our profile, we're going to see this awesome feature right below our profile called commissions. Here is where we can issue a commission report. As you can see right here, this is very easy, very intuitive. You can just add the booking total, the confirmation number, the supplier. And then this is a great tool because once you add your total commission, then you can also add your commission split depending on the agency that you work with. And Travefy will automatically calculate how much is going to the agency and how much is going to yourself. Again, this is very easy and intuitive. So you can start issuing commission reports right there in that commission section. And then last but not least, we have invoices. If you charge for any planning fees or commissions for your clients just for your planning services, you can issue a new invoice from Travefy and send that to your clients. Now, I know that this is a really quick overview of all things Travefy, but if you want more in-depth training, go next to your name to the Learn Center, and here you can find our Getting Started tutorials that will actually guide you step by step on how to build itineraries, how to issue a commission report. If you want to learn more about the CRM or the website builder, this is a great place to start. Then you can also schedule a one-on-one call with us right here to connect with someone from the Travefy team, and we also have weekly webinars. But on top of that, we have a live chat where you can contact us, and our team is very responsive and gets back to you super quick. So if you want to talk to our team, just feel free to send us a message right here, and our team is always happy to help. You can also reach out to us at professional@travefy.com, and our team can always answer any questions that you have through that email. Well, that's all I have for you today. Again, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to learn more about Travefy, and I hope to see you soon. Hey, thank you so much for your time. Again, if you have any questions about the features that we talked about today, don't hesitate to reach out to us at professional@travefy.com, or reach out to us in the chat that you see in your Travefy account. If you don't have a Travefy account yet, you can start a 10-day free trial in our website, travefy.com, and our team is always happy to help. Also, for more in-depth training, feel free to check out our Getting Started guide, where we will show you step by step how to walk through any of these features. Thank you so much for your time again, and have a great day.